The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford Focus Ecoboost indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system. This system uses sensors inside each tire to monitor pressure and transmit data to your car's computer. The error usually means one or more sensors aren't communicating. This can happen due to a dead sensor battery, sensor damage, or needing a TPMS Relearn after tire changes. To reset, ensure tires are at correct pressure, navigate to the TPMS menu using steering wheel controls, then drive at 25 to 30 miles per hour for about 10 to 15 minutes. In most cases, this relearn process will clear the error. If the standard relearn procedure doesn't work, you might need an OBD2 scanner. These tools, costing $50 to $200, can force the system into relearn mode and read diagnostic codes. Follow the scanner's instructions to initiate the relearn process. If problems continue, a sensor may have failed. Replacement sensors cost $50 to $100 each. For Ford Focus models post-2020, check for over-the-air software updates, as some updates recalibrate the system and resolve intermittent errors. Remember that aftermarket wheels or electronic interference can also block sensor signals. Consult a professional if you're uncomfortable with these steps, or if the error persists after replacing sensors and performing a relearn.